ask what we're preparing?
So right now I'm just going to parboil some vegetables. They're going to end up sitting underneath my chicken. We should be spinning.
You got the first one. We're gonna go for close. Right. Two of them.
I like that. So you use the string to as the rotisserie sort of.
Right. So this is the low tech. If you've been up in Williams or when you get up to Williams, they'll have a roaster. But that costs money. So if you're slightly lower income, as the Conklins were, or if you have a really small kitchen like this is, you can just hang it on a string.
About how long will that chicken take that way to cook?
If you have a decent fire, it will take about 15 minutes a pound. So everything takes the same as at home if you have a decent fire.
Do the chicken drippings in the pan get used for anything?
It's what vegetables will eventually go under.
Ah.
But they won't cook entirely from that heat. Vegetables need more heat than meat does, so they're going to get parboiled. I've got potato.
Is that a parsnip next to it?
Parsnip and carrots. No peeler, so
and as that will turn into some form of vegetable stew, I'm assuming?
no, they'll just end up roasted under the chicken.
Ah. So that won't be boiled, it'll be roasted in that pan instead?
So it'll be parboiled.
Parboiled. Oh.
So they're not like halfway done.
And something like that would take how long to cook, may I ask? Approximate.
15 minutes to boil, and then under the grease, under the chicken.
Ah. Is that a form of an oven?
It is an oven. This is a pumpkin pie. Let's see if it's done. Yeah. Good. Let's see, do that. Could stand to have just another few minutes.
I like your rotisserie, I really do.
A works better if the mantle is further out. This is set so close that it's a little bit, doesn't spin as
Progress
well.
on this chicken.
I wonder if they would hang an iron hook off the front.
This is just an unusually small cooking hearth.
Did you already see this? The chicken on the spit? Wait,
How'd
come.
you get here so fast?
We took a different entrance.
Guys, don't push the
Come
man
this
with the
way.
camera.